Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I want to test this quad here. This is my Apex. Last time I flew this thing, this happened.
Luckily, it's fucking shallow.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I had a boo-boo with this, as you saw. And it's good. Plug her in, got that working, get the goggles plugged in here. Like I said, I just want to test it out. I did plug it back in that day, it did chime in, but the video is what I'm worried about. And the GoPro is waterproof, we all know that. So let's go ahead and
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone and I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the edge and where I walk alone. Read between the lines, what's up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs and know I'm still alive and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.